my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a whole bunch of Huda Beauty products. Everything up until her Tantour production I have already reviewed in my previous videos. All of her eyeshadow palettes, all of her foundation, concealer, everything has been previously reviewed. So I link all of those videos right here so you can check it out just in case you're wondering if I like them or not. In today's video, we're going to be talking about her new Neon Obsessions palette, her Boss Face setting spray, 3 of her new eyelashes, the Tantour, the body highlighter, and finally the power bullets. So let's get started. But before we start, guys, if this is the very first time you're seeing my face, hello, I'm Jovita. Welcome to my channel. Take a second to click that subscribe button. And in case you're wondering what's on my lips, I've got the Kylie Jenner's lip kit in the shade Mind Your Business, and also the eyeshadow and everything. I have a tutorial on Instagram, so you can check it out there. I used Morphe eyeshadow palette for the very first time to create this look. And these earrings, I want to give a special mention to them. These are from an online store based in India. They are called Shop Beatnik. Very beautiful ethnic jewelry. So complements my look perfectly today, I feel. That's that. Now, let's get started. Considering all of Huda Beauty's new launches, I feel like the most hyped launch was the Neon Obsession palettes. And here is what I think about them, guys. I love these palettes, but it's not very easy to use. And I think that goes for every neon eyeshadows. They are a little difficult to work with. So it's not like, you know, you see a nice bright neon green color over here, you take it, you apply it on your eye, and it's gonna just pop just like that. It's gonna be a little patchy, it's gonna be a little powdery, and it's not just with Huda Beauty, it's all the neon eyeshadows that I've tried ever in my life. These are of better quality than the others that I've tried, but you have to keep in mind that these really bright colors are a little difficult to work with. But when you do a quick hand swatch, they are just so buttery soft, and you know, like it feels fine, you know, like hand swatches are not always the best way to judge an eyeshadow. So with a brush on the eye, you do have to layer it up and work slowly and patiently to build it to this level of matte. There are just 3 matte shades, a peach here and 2 shades of neon green, and all of the others are like sparkles basically. Some of them are pressed glitter, some of them are metallic. I wouldn't be able to recommend one specific shade to you because it depends on what color you like. But here is a quick look at the neon green version, and here is a quick look at the neon orange version. This one is so pretty, and you get a pop of pink, orange, peach, all of these shades, and there are just 3 metallic shiny shades. And here's a quick look at the neon pink one, and this is really predominantly pink purple. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes and 1, 2, 3, 4 metallic and pressed glitter shades. So if you ask me, I would say the orange is the most versatile, but it really depends on what you like and what you like to play with. Also, you have to remember that these palettes are a complementary palette to your existing neutral eyeshadow palettes. Do not expect to create a complete look with just this, unless it's just a pop of inner corner. Obviously, in that case, you can use any one of these shadows to create a pop. But if you want like a transition shade or whatnot, you know, if you want like a proper blown out eyeshadow look, you will have to couple it with another neutral shade because none of these have a brow bone or a crease or a black or any of that. Next up, let's talk about the body glitter. Now this is supposed to be transfer proof, and they come in 3 different shades. This is the middle shade, and this is what I like the most. I mean, I can also pass off wearing the darkest shade. It definitely is transfer proof, but you have to give it like 10-15 minutes to set, and then it's done and dusted. But it's really, what do you say, opaque. It's not like a light sheer. For example, I've got a little bit of body glitter today by another brand, I forget the name, but you see it's just a little glow overall, but when you apply this one, it's pretty opaque. Now the body glitter does come with a really convenient fat kabuki body brush. I misplaced mine and I have no idea where it is, so whoa, would have spilled it all over myself now. Do you see how extra that is? If you suffer from strawberry legs on your leg, this is a really good body makeup to cover it, but it is pretty much glitter. But this would look so good in photographs because look at that glow. That's the difference between both the arm. There is no doubt about it. It's absolutely stunning. It's beautiful, but the question is it too much for some people? Like for me, I feel like sometimes it's a little too much unless I am on vacation and you know I need those really flashy pictures. Let me also show you a swatch of the darkest shade, and what do you know, I found the body brush. How beautiful and sleek is that, right? Now I do see a lot of people using this on their face on Instagram. I think that's a little just excessive for what you need. Oh my god, that is... Do you see how it just covered up my tattoo? It's really turned me into like a bronze goddess. So it depends on if you want to look bronze literally on a daily basis, or just keep it for a vacation. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it down my fingers and everything. It's really very easy to use, and that is the difference between the bronze and the middle shade. Yeah, if you get this, I'm assuming you can even mix this in with your moisturizer to get like a more subtle glow. So you can also use it probably as a little bit of highlighter and everything, but I wouldn't really recommend putting this all over your face before foundation, because I just think honestly that it's an unnecessary step. So that Instagram trend of using this as a primer, I personally am not for it, but this works really beautiful as a body makeup. As you can see, where is my tattoo? It's gone. For the rest of the video, I'm gonna have 2 different color arm, you guys. Oh, beautiful though, right? Like, can you imagine this in pictures? This is perfect for those summer travel pictures. Oh my goodness. Moving along, let's talk about the Huda Beauty Tantour. Now, what I like about this is that it is a very easy to use cream to powder formula, and this range comes with 5 shades. So pretty much everybody's got a shade. The darkest one is really dark. This is the shade in Rich, and I believe this is the darkest or second to darkest shade, and you can see how dark this really is, guys. And the fact that it's cream to powder makes it easy to apply after your makeup. I personally am not a cream contour fan because you have to be really good at contouring, because you have to apply it as a base and then apply the foundation, and usually foundation takes it all away. There is a method, the Scott Barnes method of applying a cream contour underneath your foundation. But for like amateurs and beginners like me, this works just perfectly, because you can take a little bit of this and apply it on your face. You know what, we can apply a little bit right now as we talk, so that I can show you how it works. But the only problem is, since it is a cream to powder, it can get a little patchy while you blend, and you can go darker than you think you might need, because it really blends out quite a bit. That is a little too dark for me, because I did take the darkest shade, but that was what was in my reach. That turned my face into purple. I should have used a shade that's for me, but anyways, we can fix that. I'll apply a little bit of foundation over it. This eventually turned into the Scott Barnes technique. If you tend to use way too much, this can get a little patchy on you. So what I recommend is taking a small fluffy brush like this and working it down the sides of your cheek in small circular motion, just like what I'm doing. This collection also comes with a brush, a dual-ended brush. Now let me take a little bit of foundation, and I have used the Tantour in my shade before in other videos. So if you're wondering what it looks like, guys, refer to my older videos. Especially on Instagram, I've used it in many videos. But I misplaced it, so I don't know where my shade is, which is why I went and grabbed the darkest shade. But anyways, it's alright. Next up, we have the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face. First of all, the fragrance, guys, it's too strong. It's just way too strong. If you have problem with keeping makeup on your face, if you have oily skin, or if your skin tends to eat up makeup, this is good. This is good to literally lock it all in. So if you are a bride, if you have oily skin, if you live in a humid, hot country like India, during monsoon, there is rain, this will lock your makeup in. It'll also give your face kind of like a velvet matte finish, but I will not recommend this for a daily use, because I think it's too strong for daily wear. This even keeps away those smile lines and those pesky little, you know, whatever wrinkles, whatnot. This keeps it away. So it's a pretty good product. I just wouldn't recommend it for daily use. Now we move into my personal favorite launch of hers in the recent times, and that is the Power Bullet lipsticks, guys. She came out with 2 different launches of Power Bullet lipsticks, and I am a lipstick bullet kind of a girl. I'm less of a liquid lipstick kind of girl. And what I like about these launches, for her Power Bullet launches, both of them, is the shades. They are so brown girl friendly, and I can also see really dark women rocking it, really fair women rocking it. So I love the shades that Huda Beauty comes out with respect to her lipsticks and her eyeshadow. Even the lightest shades, you can use a little bit of lip liner and make it work for you. And I like the formula. It is very, very comfortable. It's very, very opaque. It doesn't last crazy long hours, but you can give it like a good 4 hours before you reapply it. Reapplication is not difficult when it comes to a regular bullet lipstick. It's not like liquid lipstick where you have to take it all out. It has a magnetic clasp, but the only downside to this is that it has very, very little product. I don't remember exactly how much this costs, but I know this is a pricey lipstick, so I would have liked a little bit more product from this lipstick for the price, but the quality of it, the colors, all of that is really, really beautiful. So if you'd like to get a couple of these, I would recommend it. And finally, we move into her lash launches, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and say this. Huda Beauty lashes are my favorite lashes. They're just like my favorite lashes. They're just so beautiful. They make any eye shape look good. They are of such beautiful quality. It is a little expensive, I have to say that, but you get multiple uses with it because the band is just so strong. The lashes don't fall off. So I really like these lashes. Right now I'm wearing the Huda Beauty X Lottie collection. It is one of her latest collabs and I really like this, and these lashes are so long. This makes it perfect for girls with big round eyes or even protruding eyes because the lashes itself is really, really long. And what I like about Jacqueline lashes are the fact that they're just so wispy and they have multiple layers, you know. Again, very long lashes, so if you have large eyes, also if you have small eyes, these lashes are very, very beautiful. And then we have the Huda Beauty X Olivia collection. These lashes are also so wispy. They have so many different layers with different length of hair in it, and this is shorter lashes, so this works really, really well for people with smaller eyes. But between the two, I like the Jacqueline one a little bit better because it has even a little bit of outside flaring action going on. It's just so beautiful. So that is everything, you guys, all of Huda Beauty's new launches. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have tried her old products, what do you think about them, and also let me know if you have tried her new products and what do you think about them. I want to know all of this down in the comment section below. I shall be reading all of that, replying to you, and I shall see you in my next one. All the videos right down below, guys. I love you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Mwah!